And we would like to welcome you all to the digital conference na isa sa pinaka-inaabangang romantic movies ngayong 2017 hanggang sa atin ng Star Cinema at ng Viva Films ang Finally Found Someone. Siyempre, tampok dyan sino? Of course.
Of course, no other than Isara Geronimo and John Lloyd Cruz.
And directed by Theodore Bocoro. So, finally, ang power couple ng bayan ay balik ng bala na on the big screen. Siyempre, ito, ready na sila on stage muli. Our director, Theodore Bocoro, our writer, Miss Julia Ebre, and of course, ang ating stars, si Sarah Geronimo and John Lloyd Cruz. Ayan. Babatiin muna natin sila
Hello, good afternoon sa mga vloggers. Thank you for joining our vloggers conference.
Magandang hapon po. Salamat po sa pagpunta.
Hi, good afternoon. Good afternoon po, ma'am.
Magandang hapon po. Salamat po sa pagpunta.
Hi, good afternoon. Good afternoon po, ma'am.
Good afternoon po. Thank you po sa pagpunta.
Ayan, thank you so much. Alam mo, trailer pa na talaga ng pinaghirapan na, pinag-isipan. Kaya naman para mas maunawaan na.
No, hindi yung sagot lang, hindi yung wife.
Yes, talaga ha?
Ayan ka na naman. Ano sabihin ko? Dear future wife. Ayan, sana pasensyang sa ka. Be patient with me. And sinigot ko yan the other day. Ang sabi ko, can't wait to see the world through your eyes. Something like that. Para marinig ko yung sa dulo.
Si Sarah. Ilang beses, hello, check. Ilang beses na rin natin itong nasagot. Yun lang, dear future husband. I can't wait to be with you and experience freedom with you and hindi nga, di ba? Freedom with you and hindi nga, di ba? Di ba? Siyempre, iba yung magiging buhay mo with your husband. Iba yung mga realizations na makikita mo, discoveries about yourself din. Di ba? So, yun lang. And, yun, hanggang doon na lang muna. Paano pa masabi ko? And then, syempre...
They're already John Lloyd Cruz and Sarah Geronimo. They have 3 box office movies in their belt. But, na-realize ko, alam mo, kahit na mga supporting actors lang, even if the camera is not on them, they stand under the heat of the sun, or kahit na wala naman silang ginagawa, pwede nang daya. They go there, they stand pa rin, and they support their co-actors. Something na hindi ko, kasi nag-TV series ako, may mga ibang actors na nag-vlog pa. May mga iba na umaalis na pag hindi na nila, pero sila, hindi, wala. Talaga. So yun, doon ako pinaka-na-amaze. Kasi sometimes ako hindi nervous eh. Kasi minsan akala ko may mga diva demands. Like for example, Under the Heat of the Sun, ako pa yung nervous, payong. Or kaya, bakit yung pinatayo dyan? Hindi pa naman niya, ako yung nagaganon. Pero sila, okay lang. In fact, na-shock nga ako si Lloydie, ayaw nang tatawagin siyang sir or sir po. Ayaw niya, John Lloyd lang, Lloydie lang. Rangal Besh lang. Meaning when their senses are open, they're more natural, they're more real, they're more experimental when it comes to portraying their character. So, in a way, of course, that only works with intelligent actors. That can't work with newbie actors. And thankfully, I have intelligent actors in just Sarah and John Lloyd.
Ano yung sa unang tatlong movie nila, ano yung pinaka-paborito mo?
Very special love. Kasi syempre doon ko napamahal talaga yung dalawa.
Peace sa puso mo eh. Diba? Without honesty, hindi mo ma-reach din yung full potential mo as a person. Yung destiny mo bilang tao. Kung ano man yung prepare or yung purpose mo sa mundong ito without honesty.
Well, pwede kong sabihin yun at pwede kong sabihin, it just didn't happen. The timing, siguro yung choices namin individually, parang madaming pwedeng dahilan.
Would you consider each other as the one that got away?
Hindi ako naniniwala na nakawala na siya. Joke lang. Hindi ko nabanggit yun about her. Tingin ko hindi siya totoo.
Thank you.